Albert told us about the heat that we expect this weekend here, but it is nothing to compare to like what they're dealing with in Europe. As CBS News Ian Lee explains, because of energy issues there, air conditioning is not helping.
Europe is bracing for another round of sweltering heat. Temperatures are expected to top 100 degrees in the coming days. But folks in Spain won't find much relief indoors. A new law requires businesses, museums, restaurants, and public transport to follow strict temperature rules. This Spanish minister delivered the news, saying the thermostat in the winter should be held at a maximum 66 degrees, and in the summer, no cooler than 80 degrees. The law comes as Spain deals with a double whammy. The war in Ukraine has sent energy prices skyrocketing as Russia cuts gas supplies to Europe. Meanwhile, heat waves continue to cook the continent. Shops and public buildings are now required to turn off their lights when closed, and doors must remain shut when the AC or heating is on. Alex from Madrid backs the changes, saying, "That's good, isn't it, if it lowers energy consumption?" While this man says putting the air conditioning at 80 degrees is a bit high. It's difficult and won't do much. But Spanish officials hope it will get the country through this summer and the energy crisis. Ian Lee, CBS News.
All I know is I'm going to try to get out tomorrow morning early before it gets too hot, get that morning walk in and check it off my list.
Well, you can.
Right.
All right. Thank you, Marie.